Hey guys, Northwest RV Tours here. We've got a large travel trailer designed for a large family. Let's jump into it. I think you're going to love this one. Okay, looking here at the outside, this floor plan actually has 3 slide outs. This is the side that you're going to live on. We're going to go ahead and start here at the rear. And I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of the outside kitchen. As you can see, it's got a large pull-out flap-top grill, pull-out drawer, 110-volt fridge, as well as a sink built in and some cabinets. Very nice outside kitchen. As you can see, this has the fold-out staircase, nice grab handle, nice windows on the side that you live on, and then in the rear above that outside kitchen is going to be your bunkhouse. It does have the Goodyear Endurance tires as well as aluminum wheels. Outside propane connection. Really nice outside storage with 110-volt plugs. You can see it has an outside hose connection, sprayer connection, and nice pass-through storage. Electric front jack, room for 2 20-pound propane tanks, as well as dual batteries. Coming over to the off side of the trailer, you can see the easy system to do water clean out, black tank flush, tank fill. Does come with factory solar, as well as a tire pressure monitoring system. Does have electric landing gear, not automatic, sewer hose holder, as well as a tankless hot water heater. Really nice fiberglass siding on the outside. You can see your dump valves there. Really easy to access. And then 2 more slide outs on the passenger side here. One for the bunkhouse as well as one for the kitchen. And once again, the electric landing gear. You can see this does have the roof ladder, as well as it's prepped for a rear backup camera, and also the trailer hitch. This has a 300-pound capacity. Not used for towing, but you can use it for a rack of firewood or a barbecue rack or a bike trailer or a bike rack. Does have the windows on both sides of the living room slide out, which is nice. Lots of exterior light being able to come in. You can see you step right up. The bathroom's right there, easy access as you walk in. And there's one of your slide room controls. Really nice floor plan. Big kitchen, big living space, tons of cabinet space. Got a nice dinette with dual recliners that both have heat and massage. Really nice island. Lots of natural light coming in through this trailer, especially on the side that you live on, or the side that your kids may be outside playing on. It's easy to see them when they're outside. Nice rear cabinet space. This trailer is not lacking for storage whatsoever. Could use that little countertop for a coffee bar or really anything over there. It does have a 110 plug-in right next to it. Cabinet storage below. Through that door is the bunk room. We'll show you that in a little bit. You can see the rest of the kitchen. It's got a really nice fireplace, as well as a large TV. Lots of prep space on the countertops. Full slide-out drawers. Nice window overlooking the stove top. This is the large oven with the window. It also has the light so you can see what you're baking. 3-burner cooktop. Once again, like I've explained in other videos, that front burner on this is going to be your hottest burner. It's going to be designed for boiling water and your main cooking duties. The rear 2 don't put out as many BTUs, so that would be more for like simmering and cooking other things. Up above, we've got a really nice stainless microwave. Very large. Cabinet space up above the TV. And there's your Bluetooth stereo. Just above the fireplace. Large enough in there that you could plug in an Xbox or a DVD player or whatever you may choose to plug in. Look at the size of this island. It's great. Lots of prep space. This drawer already is set up for silverware. It's already got dividers in it. Built-in trash container, so you aren't looking for a place to put a trash bin. Really nice under cabinet storage here for cleaning supplies or large bulky items. Got 3 more pull-out full extension drawers on the left. And a really nice large single basin sink. I prefer the single basin sink. It makes it really nice to be able to clean cutting boards, large pots, anything else. That drying rack that I just rolled up as well makes it really nice that you don't have to have stuff out on the counter to dry large items. You can just leave it over the top of the sink and it just drains itself. Grand Design really does a great job of laying these out to be able to live in or to be very, very comfortable into camp. You can see over to the left a really nice countertop as well. That could be your bar countertop or your coffee countertop. It does have 2 110 volt plugs. Nice backsplash. Seems like it would be very easy to clean. Wi-Fi router, as well as really nice cabinet space up above. This fridge is really the crown jewel, I believe, of the kitchen. Look how massive it is. Really large fridge, freezer combo. It's residential size. There's really nothing you wouldn't be able to take or fit inside that. A couple more drawers below where that bar top was that I was pointing out. You can see here your controls for your max air fan as well as your furnace. There's your max air fan right there in the kitchen. And your furnace and air conditioner controls. This does have the Compass Connect by Grand Design, as well as a remote battery monitor. The Compass Connect is really nice. It has Bluetooth connectivity. It controls all of your ceiling lights, your water pump, your slide outs, your awning, all of those things. All in one place, hidden behind a cabinet door. Moving up to the bathroom, we can see it's a very large shower. I can easily stand up in here with plenty of headroom. I'm 6'4". Lots of headspace. There's no skylight. It does have the recess above if you're really tall, and a shower head with an on-off switch. Nice vanity with a really nice deep sink with a big gooseneck on the bathroom sink. Makes it easy to wash your hands. It's really good size, actually. Towel holder. And a nice sized medicine cabinet. Turning around, you do have the porcelain base toilet with the foot flush. Standard for most RVs. Towel rack, as well as more towel storage or whatever you may want to store up in these cabinets up above in the bathroom. And it does have the hot water controls inside the bathroom to make it really easy to set the temperature that you want for your shower. Nice pocket door with a nice bungee clasp to keep the door closed while traveling. Moving up into the master bedroom, you can see windows on both sides. Windows on both sides. Nice queen size bed. Lots of storage all the way around the bed. Does have a large compartment underneath the bed for storage. Extra blankets, large chairs, things you can't fit in the pass-through. It's held up by gas struts, which makes it really nice. You don't have to hold it with your head while you're trying to dig something out. Nice overhead shelf above the bed. If you're a CPAP user, there's plug-ins on both sides, as well as USB charger there in the middle. Nice hanging rack storage on both sides of the bed, and overhead cabinet storage. Once again, a large storage on the left-hand side of the bed. Turning around, you can see there's a separate air conditioner controls for the front. There's also a nice hanging closet with a shelf. It's also prepped for washer and dryer. This is definitely a floor plan that you could live in. Nice stackable drawers. At that very bottom, you can see the furnace vent there on the left, the round vent. I love that about Grand Design. I know I've talked about this in previous videos, but one thing I love about Grand Design is they keep all of their floor registers off the floor. So it keeps dirt and debris from going down, especially while you're cleaning or vacuuming or sweeping. It keeps all that dirt from going down below. Up above here, you can see I'm showing the air conditioner. This unit does have 2 air conditioners and a TV location that you can mount the TV on the wall. Okay, let's move back into the bunk room. This does have 3 bunks back here, one up above where that outside kitchen would be. Those shelves there are actually your ladder. That is covered with metal there to protect it, and that would be the ladder for that upper bunk. That large space just to the right of that is prepped for a TV, and then 3 doors below it. All full extension drawer glides again, which makes it really nice and easy to access everything that's in there. Hanging storage, coats, jackets, whatever you need in there. Once again, Grand Design does a great job with their mattresses. They're covered in like a fleece-like material onto a memory foam pad. Quite comfortable, actually, for the kids. Large windows back there. That rear window there is an escape hatch. Another above bunk that folds up out of the way, and a couch below so the kids can have somewhere to hang out. That does also pull out into a bed. All right, that concludes our tour of the Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS. This is a really amazing floor plan. It is a larger RV, so you're gonna need a larger truck or Suburban or something like that to be able to pull it. But this is a really great floor plan for families. Something that you could live in for longer than just a weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or you want to see some other floor plans, let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.